Hi guys. It's been forever. I know it's been forever, but why I have you here, you're about to find out. So if you know me, you know that I like to craft, and I'm very hands-on with a lot of things. So little check-in with a little quick video of crafting and a little bit of catching up while I'm crafting. I'll be, letting you guys know what's been going on. Just been working, like it's nothing major, but little keys on of things that's been going on here and there. I want to show you my new baby. My new glue gun. Ow! So happy. But the power pack is being charged, so we're gonna let that charge and then we're gonna get right into it. So let me show you a few things that's gonna be going on during crafting. Alright, my first craft is gonna be a wreath, and it's gonna be a snow bunny wreath. I started this off camera just to try things out, but it's gonna be a little wreath, and this is gonna go on it as well. I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna put on this one, and then as we go along, I have a video to actually show you everything that I purchased for all of the wreaths that I'm gonna be doing. But for this one, that's the wreath itself, and then I'm gonna intertwine this beautiful thing right here with it. And to top it off, I'm going to place some flowers on it. Different flowers. I don't know which ones yet, but I have flowers and stuff. And I'm going to add on. So, now that we have everything together, this, the flowers and everything, we're going to go ahead and let that charge up. And then we're going to get to going. We're going to have a little craft moment, a little chit-chat, a little catching up. And let's see what we come out with. You guys can help me. And if you have any ideas, please shoot them down below. Always love to hear great ideas for crafting. Until we meet again.